how to label your emails in Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your browser and then head over to your Gmail account. Now, just tap on the email that you want to label. Make sure that you have your labels ready. Labels are basically like folders in Gmail. So just open up the email and then you can see three dots at the top. Tap on it and then tap on label as and then choose the label. And then you can just tap on apply and it will be added to that label. You can see it on the left hand side. Tap on the label name and it will be available there. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.